My name is Kevin and I'm going to be answering a question from Yahoo Answers. The question was about a circle, so let's do a little bit of a backstory first. Here's a circle on the coordinate plane, here's the x-axis, and here is the y-axis. The center of the circle is located at the point x subscript 1 and y subscript 1, so it's right there. And it has a radius of r. And so right around this center of the circle, every distance apart from r is this circle. The equation is always, it's a very kind of nice equation. It's the variable x subtract point x1, meaning the number of the x value of the center of the circle. That thing is squared. Then you add, that addition sign meaning it's a circle. If there's a subtraction sign, it could be a different thing. But if it's an addition sign, we're talking about circles. Alright? And then parentheses y, that's a variable, minus y1. That's the point of the circle, of the center of the circle, quantity squared. And that is equal to the radius squared. So the question posed on Yahoo Answers was x plus 4 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals 9. So if I know the equation of the circle, which key, you need to memorize this equation. Memorize this equation, and then we notice, hey, it all matches up. That thing right there is that thing right there. That is the r squared. So the radius of this circle is 3, because 3 squared is 9. Alright, now we look at this equation, and it's x minus something has to equal 4. And this is where the tricky part is, because this minus sign means that the thing inside here has to be opposite of what we expect. So the trick is, if this is a positive 4, it needs to be negative 4. So the center of the circle is located at negative 4 for the x, because it's located next to the x, and it's negative because the actual equation of the circle has a negative sign. So the x value is negative 4, and the y value, okay, well, if in here it's a negative 1, and the equation calls for the opposite of that, then it's positive 1. So that's the center of the circle. So in our case, what we're actually talking about is a circle centered at negative 4, positive 1, with radius 3. So it would look like this. Here's going to be our x and y coordinates. And then our center of our circle is at negative 4, 2, 3, 4, positive 1. That's the center of the circle right there. And now we go 3 in every direction. So we go 1, 2, 3. It's going to go all the way out to here. 1, 2, 3. It's going to go all the way out to here. So that's going to be the circle we're going to try. And I'm going to try to draw this. It's not going to be very good, but we're going to try it anyways. It's basically like that, kind of. That's the circle that we're dealing with. So I hope that helps, and good luck on your homework.